limiting the unprogrammed appropriations to essential needs. However, I push further and reduce it to the absolute bare minimum. This shall be at the level lowest since 2019. Let me be clear. The unprogrammed appropriations are not blank checks. We will not allow the unprogrammed appropriations to be misused or treated as a backdoor for discretionary spending. Its utilization is provided with safeguards and is only available when clearly defined triggers and tests are met and will be released only after careful validation. I vetoed several items of appropriations with their purposes and corresponding special provisions under the UA, totaling almost 92.5 billion pesos. So I direct now all concerned departments and agencies of the national government to exercise prudent fiscal management to ensure uninterrupted quality public service.
Kahit na sabihin nila na it's the lowest unprogrammed appropriations since 2019, hindi pa rin makakaligtas yan ni piso man yan o 100 bilyon kung unconstitutional. Nauno nga ba kasi ang unprogrammed funds? Ang mga unprogrammed funds ay yung mga line item sa GAA natin na marerelease lang kung ang kita ng gobyerno sa tax o kaya naman yung sa mga korporasyon nila tulad sa PAGCOR, sa GOCC o sa mga funding ng ibang bansa to fund whatever to our heart's desire ay sumobra sa inaasahan.
Wala na lang tayo unprogram. Bakit pa tayo, like I was telling you kanina, why do we need unprogram projects? Wala nga tayong pondo. Pag napondohan, di wag na lang, wala naman tayong pondo, di ba? Every year naman, ipangungutang mo. Wala nga tayong pondo, di ba? Deficit tayo. Mabuti sana kung namimit natin ang target. Hindi ho natin namimit yung target natin, yung tax collection target at mga revenue targets natin, hindi eh. Yung sinasabi 6.793, ipangungutang natin yung iba doon eh. We haven't collected that yet. We're still short.
Now, as you can see with the graph, lumobo ang unprogrammed appropriations na inaprobahan ng either Kongreso o ng Pangulo during BBM's term na hindi hamak na since 2022 ay mas malaki pa kesa dun sa proposal nila sa National Expenditures Program na, by the way, si BBM rin ang nag-propose kasi nga again, it's called the President's Budget. Pero teka lang, ang hinihingi ng opisina ni